So how difficult a game are you expecting tomorrow because of Kashmir's defensive record?
Yes, it's true. I agree completely with your words, because they are the best defense of the league. They not concede too much spaces. They are strong in the set pieces, offensive and defensive, and they have a physical team, too much big and fighters, and they don't concede too much space. But we started very well the team, and we prepared the team in 2 days for this match. But I got confidence that tomorrow we can make a good game, and I hope that we can make also a good result, because it's important for us. Make good game, but win, because after 2-3 days nobody remember what we do. Just remember the result.
Okay, I think I said at the start of the season, after finishing third last year, for the first time in the club's history, there's expectations. No one expected us to win I-League 2, no one expected us to finish third last year. So for the first time, and maybe at times the teams felt a little bit of pressure, you know, because virtually every game last year we were underdogs in every game, and now, you know, 2 or 3 games, you know, obviously like against Trow and teams like that, because of the new team, there's a little bit of pressure on us to try and beat them, which is new to us. It's a new pressure that the players and the club, myself, have found. So maybe that's been a bit of the reason for the inconsistency of the results. But you know, it's still a great league to be in, and we're still honoured to be a part of it. And you know, the club, you know, as I say, just a little bit of inconsistency. You know, away form's been good. We've won 3 out of our last 4 away games, which is very, very impressive.